For many people, car insurance is something they have to have that they usually only think about when they buy a new car or have to pay their bills. It can be a fairly expensive bill that is paid yearly, and even though it can really help us if a bad accident were to occur, it is also a bill we try to keep as low as possible. There are several life events that affect our insurance premiums, some for the better and some for the worse, but they each have an impact on our car insurance premiums and should be planned for accordingly. First, one of the things that affect our car insurance that we generally have no control over is our age. When we first begin driving and up until we are 25 years of age, our rates are much higher than they will be when we reach that magic birthday. In part, this is because of the inexperience of new drivers and the higher risks the insurance company is taking on them. This is not the only age of importance, however. Once you have the next magic birthday of 65, your rates may begin to increase again. This is because older people tend to have more accidents due to things like poor eyesight and slower reaction times. Second, marriage can make a positive impact on your insurance premium. One way this happens is if you are under the age of 25 and get married. At that point, the insurance will consider you an adult because you are responsible enough to be married, and that will lower your rates. Another way it helps to be married is when the married couple places all vehicles with a single insurance company for a multi-car discount, which can really help to lower the premium. Third, having children is both a positive and a negative influence on the insurance premiums you are being charged. When you first have children, your rates may go down as they do when you get married. However, when your child reaches the ripe old age of 16 and begins to drive, the insurance you pay for him will be significantly higher. However, having a clean driving record yourself will greatly help in reducing the rates you will be paying. If the child is a girl, premiums will be lower than if it is a boy, and sometimes there is a good student discount available. Fourth, getting a new job is something that you probably didn't even consider as something that impacts your car insurance. If your old job was quite a bit further away and the new job is close, you may be able to qualify for a low mileage discount. Fifth, moving to an entirely new location will definitely make a difference. Some states require different types of coverage than other states, so that can make a difference. Also, your car insurance broker will need to know your new location. Moving from a city to a country area could lower your rates if there is a significant drop in crime and a lower accident rate in that area. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.